Waka. Pac-Man. What do we do?
Well, I guess we should set it up. This is the game board.
There's more than one.
Oh yeah. Because it all comes together.
Oh, because it's hard.
Yeah.
I've never seen a game like that. Oh, it's so cute.
So what are they called again? It's
Oh, I think the orange is Inky, Pinky, Clyde, and there's another one. Like Pac-Man. You get batteries, right?
Well, yeah, there was a battery in it. That little block was stopping it from playing. Okay. Nothing else there. So I'll just put this off to the side. Okay, so we need to set up the maze. By inserting these bits into one another. We're going to need to fray those if you want to get started on that. I guess it goes on this way. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't go on that way at all. Should go on like this, I guess. Me? I don't know. It's just a puzzle starting.
What's happening for? Maybe you should be doing this and I do that.
Hang on. So. That goes there. And then this goes.
It's a lot of ghosts.
I think it's more like a. It's like a movement token.
What goes in the middle?
Let's see. Right. This goes in the middle. So this is the board. We need to insert a yellow peg into each hole. Push pegs into the hole. Are these spheres or have I missed some holes?
Huh. What are those holes? Oh no.
Okay, so we've got 2. Okay. Okay. Flip the 4 power pellet tokens to reveal the power pellets. Place them in the 4 blank spaces.
Well, these are the big ones.
Yep. And they fit neatly into those notches. Now place the character pawns. Remove the white tab from Pac-Man to get the sound effects, which I already did. Place Pac-Man on the yellow start space.
No. Here.
So that's a sticker. That needs to actually go there.
Yeah. Does he make noises?
I guess he will now that I've taken his battery out. Not now that I've taken like the thing out.
Yeah.
I don't actually know yet.
None at all.
No, there's no switches. Place Blinky. Oh, they all go on their respective colours. Place a full set of the 16 blue ghost tokens near the game board. Okay, ghost cards. Which are these? I assume you're playing Pac-Man. If a fruit card is drawn, then I will place one of the fruit tokens on Pac-Man's starting space. Then draw another ghost card. Always place the cherries tokens first. When it's eaten, do strawberry, then do orange. Each fruit increases in value. So you can move 12 spaces. So every space you move Pac-Man onto, you got to press the palette.
Whoa.
When Pac-Man eats a power pellet, he becomes energized and may now eat ghosts. When Pac-Man moves onto a power pellet, his movement ends immediately, but his turn continues. He now gets a chance to eat ghosts for the next 3 rolls.
Oh, so I can't keep going.
Yeah, you have to stop there apparently.
Oh.
So you gotta flip it over now and put it back to show that it's been eaten. Okay.
Don't we need a pen? Do I write stuff down or not yet?
Well, we haven't done any scores yet. This is when, at the end of it, you write your score down. So, first flip the power pellet. Now you get 3 moves. Roll 1 yellow die, then move that number of spaces. Roll the second yellow die and move. Finally, roll the third die and move. During this movement, Pac-Man may eat ghosts, turning them into ghost eyes that must return to their ghost cage and regenerate back. When you finish your 3 rolls, you can no longer eat ghosts until he eats another power pellet. Pac-Man's turn is over, and the ghosts now take their turn chasing him once again. Well, now your turn is over. Pac-Man's turn is over. The ghosts can now take their turn chasing him once again. So, red, orange, blue, pink. And that's how far I get to move. I just got to read up on my turn. So, we're going in this order. When starting a game, Blinky must move first so the other ghosts can leave the cage. So if Blinky's not first ghost, then the ghosts appear. Lose their turn. Ghosts cannot move through other ghosts. If a ghost cannot move. Okay, so I get to go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then orange gets to move 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue now moves 2. I think it's 1, 2. And then pink moves 3. 1, 2, 3. It is now your turn.
So all three again.
Yeah, all 3 again now. So 13.
So you can't move though.
Yeah, I can't move at the moment.
I can't go around you. You're like trapping me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One. Two.
No, baby!
Yeah.
Okay, now roll 1 at a time. Pinky. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh no!
6.
Says up my life.
I think so. Ghost minutes anything? If you successfully collect all the dots and clear the board, then you can advance to level 2. If a ghost lands on Pac-Man, he has caught him and the game is over. Add up all of the Pac-Man players' points, which is ghost tokens, fruit tokens, mini board pieces, etc., and write it on the high score notepad. Reset the maze and pop all the yellow pegs into the up position to start a new game.
Waka waka waka. Ready?
Sure, go on.
It's not whacking.
It's not whackering.
Fruit.
Strong start for you.
Another fruit.
I have no idea what happens if I draw 2 fruit in a row.
I get both.
When this is eaten, when eaten. Oh, you don't bother, you just draw another card.
What? You didn't shuffle very well, did you?
Apparently not. Okay, you know what the dumb bit is? That ghost can't move because he's stuck. So we're going from here. 4, 5.
It's getting scary.
Go.
What do we got? Oh, that's good. Waka 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 waka.
Have you cleared that whole bit of the board now?
Yay!
So you get to take that bottom left token.
Finally get points.
Yeah, 500 points.
800.
I can't read it. Is it 800?
I
Oh.
said finally. My go. So I get 3.
Yeah.
Ooh! I'm going to get that. 1, 2, 3.
And then you collect it. That's yours now.
But is that a spot?
So,
No, I go through it.
Yeah, you go through it.
5, 6, and then I still get another go, don't I?
That's right.
One. Two. 3. 3. 4.
4. And 2. Bet you're scared.
Yeah. Scary games. Oh.
Right now you got me on the run.
Oh.
Oh, that's not a good roll. That is what we in the business call an unfortunate roll.
Where's your orange? Did I knock it?
Yeah, it's meant to be there.
Oh, this sounds like a dog.
6.
Ah.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2. Go.
Where was your pink one?
He was 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. He got a big move for that time. Oh.
Good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
Hello. I'm gonna eat you.
God, just look at his eyeballs. They have no mercy.
I'm Pac-Man. So.
One at a time.
Oh, 1. Hello.
Better hope you get some good rolls.
Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh. Oh, man. One more to go.
I did thingy, so I get that.
Oh, yeah. You get that quadrant too.
Oh god, be big. Alright, I'm gonna lose.
Okay.
How much is this?
The cherries. So the cherry is 100 points. Then if you get the strawberry, it's 200. And if you get the orange, it's 500. I drew 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 7.
I'm glad that wasn't bread.
Go.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, this is going to be tight.
Anyway.
Okay. 3 rolls. 3 rolls to get yourself out of this pickle. That was not a good start.
Oh, I can only get to 6. That's halfway. Oh. 1. One.
One to go.
One.
Mm. 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. 1, 2, 5.
Ah!
3, 1, 2, 3. Right next to you.
Uh-oh.
That's not ideal.
Well, either way I couldn't go anywhere. So, well, I could go backwards.
Alright, go time. Will she cheat death? You are actually almost there. Roll again.
Oh boy. I'm not gonna be able to do it though. Because I've used it before.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
Yeah, one more. But I think with this game, it's about how long you can survive for. Anyway, it looks like it's a pretty rare event for someone to nail the whole board.
Staying there.
4, 6, 3, go. Run away.
Oh, 3 sixes! Too bad I didn't have a thing.
Yeah, now that's
1,
some.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't want to go in there.
Well, I mean, it's probably a matter of time until I get you. I mean, you could just run to the other side of the board, but or you could run through the teleport. You can run through the tunnel.
Well, I will get another thing if I do go in there, so at least that's that.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's all of them.
That's all your 3 6s?
Mm. No, I got one more 6, but
Okay.
like I did that.
Okay.
1, 2,
The question,
2,
do you run away or do you commit?
3, 4, 5. 6. 3 sixes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Forgot about that. Oh, I did good.
Yeah, you certainly did quite well,
I
actually.
got 3, that.